Pronunciation lesson. Instructions. Watch the video lesson to learn how to make this sound correctly so that you can reduce your accent and pronounce the words correctly. Splendid, boys and girls. You did a great job in structure lesson. Now on we go to this next lesson in pronunciation. We are going to look at another interesting sound in the English language. The sound is ow, which can also be written as ow and pronounced the same way. Take a look at this on YouTube to get an idea of what the sound sounds like. This sound is a common sound in the English language and really isn't that hard to pronounce. You know when you get hurt and you cry out, ouch, that hurt. Or you say, ow, that hurt. It is this sound that we will be looking at in this unit. Have you seen the video clip on YouTube with those two boys from England? I believe it is. The younger boy bites the finger of his older brother, and then his older brother cries out, ouch! Ow, Charlie, that hurts! You haven't? Well, take a look. Now let's see some words that have this sound and then some other words that have a sound close to the sound we are looking at just to compare them here. Just listen to me as I say the words. Shout, shoot, bound, boot, south, soothe, house, hoot, noun, noon, about, a boat, ground, groom, route, root, round, ruined, allowed, allude, town, tune. Spectacular! Now I want you to go back and repeat each one of the words with me after I say them. If you need to, you can pause the recording so that you can repeat it as many times as you need to. Try to imitate the sounds as closely as possible. Shout, shoot, bound, boot, south, soothe, house, hoot, noun, noon, about, a boat, ground, groom, route, root, round, ruined, allowed, allude, town, tune. Fantastic! Now I want you to say the word before I do and then repeat it again after you hear it. Shout, shoot, bound, boot, south, soothe, house, hoot, noun, noon, about, a boat, ground, groom, route, root, round, ruined, allowed, allude, town, tune. Perfect. Remember, you can't be shy about this. You need to work on the pronunciation over and over again until you've nailed it down. It is the only way you will get rid of your accent. Remember, boys and girls, practice makes perfect and permanent.